Good morning, students. Today we will study about molecular basis of inheritance. Chapter includes structure of polynucleotide chain, the DNA, the search of genetic material, RNA world, replication, transcription, genetic code, translation, regulation of gene expression, human genome project, and DNA fingerprinting. We will study all these one by one. Nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA, are the building block of genetic material. DNA is the genetic material in most of the organism. RNA is the genetic material in some viruses. RNA mostly function as messengers. Structure of polynucleotide chain. Polynucleotide chains are the polymer of nucleotides. DNA and RNA are polynucleotides. A nucleotide has three components: nitrogenous base, a pentose sugar. It is a 5-carbon sugar. The two types of nucleic acids are recognized on the basis of type of their sugar. First is ribonucleic acid RNA, that has ribose sugar, and second deoxyribonucleic acid DNA has deoxyribose sugar and a phosphate group. Structure of polynucleotides, that nitrogenous bases are divided into two parts, that is purine and pyrimidine. Purine include adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine includes cytosine, uracil, and thymine. Structure of polynucleotide. Uracil is absent in DNA but present in RNA. Instead of uracil, thymine is present. Thymine is absent in RNA and present in DNA. Instead of thymine, uracil is present. Chekhov's law states that in DNA proportion of adenine is equal to thymine and proportion of guanine is equal to cytosine. Therefore, A plus Z is equal to T plus C, that is adenine plus guanine is equal to thymine plus cytosine. Structure of polynucleotide chain. A nitrogenous base is linked to pentose sugar through a N-glycosidic linkage. Nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar is equal to nucleoside, that is adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, and uridine. This is nitrogenous base at carbon number A1, that is N-glycosidic bond is formed here. C1 of the sugar is linked with 9th position of purine, that is adenine and guanine, and 3rd position of pyrimidine, cytosine, thymine, uracil bases by glycosidic bond to form nucleosides. Structure of nucleotide. Nitrogenous base plus sugar plus phosphate, that is nucleotide. Two nucleotides are linked through 3rd and the 5th phosphodiester bond, that is dinucleotide. More nucleotide, that is polynucleotides, means after that which is the more complex form of nucleotide is polynucleotide. Phosphate is linked with 3rd or 5th position of the sugar of nucleoside by ester bond to form nucleotide. Now this polynucleotide, the several nucleotides are linked to form long nucleotide strand. The bond connecting C3 and C5, that is carbon 3 and carbon 5 position of sugar of adjacent nucleotides, are called phosphodiester bond. Thus each polynucleotide strand has an anterior third end and a posterior fifth end. This repeats the primary structure of nucleic acid, that is RNA and DNA. Thanks for today.